As many of you know, Bubs Coffee began as a popular local coffee shop. They soon launched their own bakery storefronts, and it absolutely exploded in popularity. BubsBakery.com has now become the go-to online source for reliable baking recipes, techniques, and all things related to baking and artisan pastries. With this success came new challenges. The Bubs team noticed their server costs creeping up and occasional site slowdowns. Looking at their traffic analytics, they saw a significant amount of automated traffic, bots, but they lacked the tools to easily understand which bots were hitting them and why. They were particularly concerned about emerging AI tools potentially scraping their unique recipes and proprietary content wholesale. This is where they started using our new AI bot detection capabilities. Let's look at the Bubs Bakery dashboard. This is similar to what they saw when they first enabled the feature. Immediately, the picture became clear. Right here, they could see a breakdown of bot traffic, specifically identifying AI-driven activity. They noticed a considerable volume identified by the verified bot AI crawler signal. These are known bots from major AI companies, likely gathering data to train language models. They also saw spikes in suspected bot AI fetcher traffic, bots behaving like they're grabbing specific info, maybe to answer a user's question like, what's Bubs Bakery's best sourdough starter recipe, in real time via an AI chat interface. This dashboard view gave Bubs Bakery the high-level insights they needed. A significant portion of their resource consumption and potential data exposure was coming from these specific AI bot categories. Seeing the trends was helpful, but the Bubs team wanted to understand the activity at a more granular level, so they dove into their live traffic view. Here, as requests came in, they started seeing the new signals attached directly to individual hits. This allowed them to confirm what the dashboard suggested. They could see requests identified by these signals. Verified bot, AI crawler. Crawlers officially verified to be who they say they are, generally used for building AI models or indexes for training AI/LLMs. Verified bot AI fetcher. Fetchers officially verified to be who they say they are, used by AI/LLMs for enriching results in response to a user query. Suspected bot AI crawler indicates a request suspected of being an AI/LLM crawler bot, generally used for building AI models or indexes. Suspected bot AI fetcher indicates a request suspected of being a bot used by AI/LLMs for enriching results in response to a user query. Seeing these signals on live requests allowed Bubs Bakery to understand exactly which pages the crawlers were hitting the most and which recipes the fetchers seemed interested in. This granular view confirmed their concerns, but also paved the way for targeted action. Armed with this detailed visibility, Bubs Bakery decided it was time to take control. Their primary concern was the resource drain and potential scraping from the growing volume of AI bots, so they decided to implement a broad block first. They could create a site list, their own custom list containing the signals related to AI bots, and manage them together. However, they opted for a more straightforward approach, using our new system list called AI bots. Remember, this specific system list is currently in beta, so availability may vary. It's a list curated and automatically updated by us containing all 4 AI bot signal types. With this single rule, Bubs Bakery could effectively block the vast majority of known and suspected AI crawler and fetcher traffic, using a list that stays up to date without manual intervention from their team. This immediately addressed their resource and scraping concerns. Okay, so Bubs Bakery implemented this block using the AI bots system list. Fast forward a few weeks, and Bubs Bakery has worked out a strategic partnership with OpenAI. They've agreed to allow ChatGPT to access and feature their seasonal recipes directly in its responses, driving qualified traffic back to bubsbakery.com. Because they already had the broad block in place, they now needed a specific rule to allow their new partners traffic through without opening the doors to unwanted bots again. Let's go ahead and write a rule where the request signal is verified bot and the signal value equals GPT bot. We're also going to use the allow action. By setting this rule to allow, Bubs ensures that the traffic identified specifically as a verified bot and it's from ChatGPT will be permitted. This protects their valuable business relationship while keeping the general AI bot block effective. Let's look back at the Bubs Bakery story. They started with a problem, rising costs and unclear bot traffic impacting their popular site. Using our AI bot detection features, they gained visibility first through analytics dashboards that quantified the AI bot traffic hitting their site. They understood the details by drilling into live traffic to see the specific verified bot and suspected AI crawler and fetcher signals on the requests. Then they took control, implementing an initial broad block using the AI bot system list and later refining access with a specific allow rule for a strategic partner. The outcome for Bubs Bakery was significant. They reduced unnecessary server load, protected their unique recipe content from unwanted scraping, maintained their strategic partnerships, and gained peace of mind with simplified bot management. This capability transforms AI bot traffic from an unknown threat into a manageable aspect of their online presence. Thanks for watching.